because there's a space. The space that hurts. That hurts, anak. See, that will hurt you. See, don't. I think that's not a good idea. You guys are wasting your father's time here. What? Jade, what you can do too is you go turn your back and hold the front like that. If you turn your back. You guys are you guys being good because your gift is coming soon. You guys gift are coming soon. Gift. You think she's Gilana? She thinks you're Gilana. She wanna drive in the behind you. She's, be nice now. Oh, anong ulam, Chai? Oh, you're tricking, Daddy. You're tricking her. Anong ulam? Thank you, Joanne. Let's go. Daddy's gonna get. La la la. Oo. La 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 la. La la la. Oh, enjoy siya sa tatay niya maglaro. La! You said, help, help, Miranda. I know you're tricking her. Is daddy tricking you? How come? You guys too loud. You're waking up Jewel. Afternoon, it's evening. La 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 gotcha. La. No, that is tricking you. That is tricking you. That is tricking you. That is tricking you. She knows now. Ah, what you doing? Why you do that? I wanna sit here. You? Hey, there's a fit in the picture. What are you doing?